Hi, and welcome to this channel where I teach science and scientific communication. I'm Dr. Andrew Terhemen Tyowua, and I help candidates secure scholarships without difficulties, either locally in their home countries or internationally abroad. If you want to reach out to me, you can do so using the email address displayed here on the screen. Today's video is on investing in scholarship application. Any form of education is an investment. You are investing to eventually start your own business and make income, or to work for somebody in return for an income, money. So pursuing scholarship is no exception. You want to secure scholarship to further your education, either in your home country or abroad. Eventually, you want to be working for somebody, or you want to be working for yourself, start your own business and make income. So special scholarships is an investment. And because it's an investment, investing strategically can be helpful, particularly in cases where people have limited resources. And by resources, I'm referring to money. You need to be investing wisely, strategically. So today I want to give you 5 investments you can make that will help you, that will make your journey of securing scholarship much easier. And by investment, I mean things you should be spending money on. Firstly, time. You need to be investing in time. You can invest by working for somebody in return for money, and then investing the money in other aspects of your scholarship application, which I'm going to talk about. You can either be working for yourself if you don't want to work for somebody, to have money to invest in other aspects of a scholarship application. Invariably or ultimately, what you want to do is get some money to invest in other aspects of your application or journey of scholarship application. So set aside a dedicated time, even if you're working full-time somewhere. You can have some time in the night to search for scholarships and make applications as well if you have identified a couple of scholarships you want to work on or apply. Have a dedicated time. Secondly, you want to be investing in a mentor. A mentor is somebody who has the experience of helping people secure scholarships, either locally or internationally, like myself. And to help with scholarship application, I have created a course, How to Make a Strong and Competitive Postgraduate Scholarship Application. This course has everything you need to know and do to increase your chances of securing a scholarship, or perhaps even secure a scholarship. All you need to do is go through the course, execute the suggestions and advice I have given there, and in no time you will secure a scholarship for yourself. A couple of people have taken the course and have received amazing feedback. So invest in a mentor. It mustn't necessarily be me. The link to the course I'm talking about is in the video description. I encourage you to take it. This person will also help you read your applications before you submit to maximize your chances, and that's what I do. If you take the course, After you've prepared your documents for a particular scholarship, I'm going to read through and make suggestions, correct grammatical errors before you submit to maximize your chances of success. A mentor will help you tremendously. A mentor is going to help you save time. A mentor is going to help you, is going to help shield you from heartbreak. It's going to help you from frustration. It can be frustrating if you've made a couple of scholarship applications and they have been unsuccessful. So his mentor is going to pinpoint the things you need to do to actually secure a scholarship rather than try and err and then get frustrated and give up. The third thing you want to invest in is a decent laptop. You need a laptop to search for scholarships, write your essays, prepare your documents, CVs or resumes, make the application itself, communicate with prospective supervisors or advisors on your course, the one you are applying to. So a laptop can be very useful when it comes to scholarship application, and you should be investing in one. It can also help you learn other things online. It can also help you attend interviews, virtual interviews, when eventually you secure a place. Particularly for some positions, you will need an interview before you are awarded a scholarship in the final stage. So you need interview, and it can be tricky using your phone for interviews, particularly if you've got to make a presentation. So you should be investing in a laptop, a decent laptop. You should also invest in a decent phone, and by a decent phone, I mean a phone that can perform some basic functions. You receive and send emails. You can search the internet. You can communicate either by text message or by any other app, WhatsApp, or you can have a voice call because sometimes you get called when you make a scholarship application. So you need a decent phone. You shouldn't spend so much money on the phone. I strongly encourage you to spend money on a laptop more than a phone. If you've got money and you want to buy a phone and a laptop, you should get a higher laptop compared to a phone, because you can do more with a laptop than with a phone. Preparing documents on a phone can be very difficult. I have tried it. It's quite slow, and I wouldn't recommend anybody to do that. So a decent laptop, a decent phone. Fifth thing you should be investing your money on in terms of scholarship application is further education. Universities, even the best universities, don't teach everything. And if you have come from a low-ranking university where syllables are not always covered, then you should be trying to read further and cement concepts you struggle with during either your bachelor's degree or during your master's degree. That will help you a lot. Read books about life in general. That will help you understand how society works. It will help you understand how human beings think and behave. It will help you fit well in society, particularly when it comes to studying abroad, where uh, countries are evolving quite rapidly. You need to know the kind of things you should be saying to people and the kind of things you shouldn't be saying to people. Tricky conversations to handle carefully and or rather avoid, and so on. You should also take relevant courses that will help you expand your skill set, learn more skills. Financial education is one area where people often struggle. Financial literacy is very important. You should be taking courses on finances, because eventually, if you win a scholarship, you'll be given money, and how to manage that money so that you don't run into debt becomes very important. That's why financial education is key when it comes to scholarship application. You should also be reading about religion. That is one area where there can be confusion, because people are learning from those who are interested in manipulating them rather than teaching them the true essence of religion, the true essence of our being here on earth. If you read books, you will understand these things yourself, and you'll be shielded from manipulation. Read other aspects. You can read things you like, read about food, read about cooking. That will help you expand your horizon and make you a better person, make you better informed. That's what I mean by a better person. So these are the 5 things you need to invest in to ease your scholarship application journey: time, mentorship, decent laptop, a decent phone, and further education. If you have not subscribed to this channel, I encourage you to do so. Subscribing will help you get notifications when I upload a new video. Secondly, it will help these videos get a wider reach. And thirdly, it will help other people see these videos and learn from them as well. I also encourage you to leave your comment in the comment section. Let me know what your experience with scholarship application is. Share this video with other people you think are interested in this kind of information. And if you want to get updates on scholarships sent directly into your email box, there is a link in the video description. Leave your email and name there, and when I send emails out updating people about opportunities with scholarship, you will receive as well. And finally, if you have subscribed to this channel, I'd like to especially thank you for doing that. It means a lot to me. And bye for now.